Today, we're diving into the essential steps to elevate your personal hygiene routine, leaving you feeling confident and fresh all day long. Step 1. Mouthwash. I was surprised to learn that many people overlook the importance of mouthwash in their daily oral hygiene routine. After brushing your teeth, don't forget to use mouthwash. Simply pour a small amount into your mouth, swish it around for about 30 seconds, and then spit it out. Avoid swallowing it, as mouthwash is not meant to be ingested. This simple step can make a big difference in your oral health. Mouthwash eliminates bacteria, freshens your breath, and promotes healthy gums, giving you that extra boost of confidence throughout the day. I recommend trying the Hygiene mouthwash for maximum effectiveness and a refreshing experience. Additionally, it doesn't have any alcohol. Step 2. Saliva. Don't overlook the power of saliva. It's your body's natural defense against bad breath and tooth decay. One way to enhance its benefits is by using a tongue scraper. This simple tool helps remove the buildup of bacteria and debris from the surface of your tongue, leaving it clean and refreshed. Step 3. Teeth picker. Make flossing or using an interdental brush a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. These tools are essential for removing food particles and plaque from between your teeth and along the gum line. By preventing the buildup of plaque, you'll reduce your risk of cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Your dentist will definitely notice the difference. My personal dentist told me that I had white teeth, but she could see that I didn't floss, and that resulted in big plaques of gum. It's important to remember brushing your teeth won't be enough, and it's advised to combine the mouthwash, tongue scraper, and tooth pickers alongside brushing your teeth in your morning routine or night routine. Step 4. Nose trimmers. Let's not forget about the importance of nasal hygiene. Regularly blowing your nose with a tissue helps remove excess mucus and debris, but for those pesky nose hairs that stick out, invest in a quality nose trimmer. Once you've made this investment, you'll never need to spend another penny to address this issue. Not taking care of boogers or excessive nose hair is a big ick for not only girls but people in general. Keeping your nasal passages clear not only improves your appearance but also promotes better breathing and overall comfort. Step 5. Grooming. Whether you're maintaining a beard or striving for smooth, clear skin, proper grooming is key. Trim your beard regularly to maintain its shape and invest in high-quality skincare products tailored to your skin type. A well-groomed appearance reflects self-care and boosts your confidence. Step 6. Deodorant. Say goodbye to body odor with a swipe of deodorant. I've linked the exact deodorant I use in the description below. Apply it daily to stay fresh and confident, even during the busiest of days. It's an easy fix, especially after a workout session that leaves you sweating. Don't let body odor hold you back from feeling your best. Step 7. Fragrance. In a series of studies, perfumed subjects were rated significantly more attractive and pleasant compared to non-perfumed subjects. In another study, fragrances were found to modulate brainwave activity, indicating that they play a role in influencing cognitive processes and emotional responses. Elevate your scent game with a touch of fragrance. Whether it's a subtle floral perfume or a bold woody cologne, find a signature scent that boosts your mood and leaves a lasting impression. Make it personal. I personally use Bleu de Chanel. Step 8. Clean clothes and fresh socks. Wear clean clothes daily and swap out those stinky socks for fresh pairs. Your cleanliness speaks volumes about your attention to detail and self-respect. Having stains of food on your shirt will make you look unable to take care of yourself. This is a big turnoff for girls. Step 9. Haircut. A well-groomed hairstyle enhances your appearance and boosts your confidence. Whether you prefer a classic cut or a trendy style, scheduling regular haircuts every 2 4 weeks ensures that you always look and feel your best. If you're unsure about which haircut suits you best, consider identifying your face shape and then search for hairstyles that complement it. For a polished look, opt for a fade, preferably a taper fade, as it adds dimension and sharpness to your haircut, elevating your overall style. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of personal hygiene. Remember, investing in yourself pays off in more ways than one. All products mentioned in this video are linked to in the description,